video is going to teach you how to use the job assignment function on your Invisi-Tag app. Job assignment is basically an electronic checklist, so it can represent a lot of different things. It could represent a vehicle, a warehouse, a trailer, and the equipment that belongs in a particular vehicle that's going to a job site. So we're going to start by clicking Begin, and then going to our Setup menu. We're going to put in our setup password. Now once we're to the Setup menu, we are going to click Fixed Job Assignment. Our phone is now going to ask us to name the job, so I'm going to name mine Truck 27 Restoration Gym. And then click OK. We now come to a menu with all of our tags. You'll notice that there's a plus and an X on the bottom of the screen. If you click the plus, it should check all of your tags so you can add them all to that list. If you click the X, it'll uncheck all of them. At the top of the screen, there's a search bar, so you can refine your search to whatever job you are assigning these tags to. So I'm going to search Truck 27, so all of my tags that are assigned to Truck 27 come up, and I'm going to check them all and add them to my list. So those tags are now added to Truck 27, and that is how simple and easy it is to create a job assignment on your Invisi-Tag app. I'm going to make another one because you can make as many as you want for different jobs that you have. So I'm going to click Fix Job Assignment again and name this as Main Inventory. Then click OK. Once I'm here, since these are all my tags, I'm going to click the plus button so they're all checked and hit Done. I've now created another job assignment. Now you can create as many as you want, so you should create one per vehicle that's going out to a job so you can scan every vehicle at the beginning of the day and make sure your employees are leaving with the equipment they need. Then you can scan it again at the end of the day when they return to make sure all of your equipment is back where it's supposed to be. That's how easy it is to use the job assignment on your Invisi-Tag app.